I'm excited. I cannot wait to finish the race and go to sleep again. That is my race number for 2025. Let's get it. Say hello. Say hello. She is cold. Good morning everyone. It is Saturday the 5th of April. It is time to head off to the running expo. The half marathon is tomorrow, which is insane. It's currently 8 o'clock and I'm going to head down there, grab my race bib and anything else I need to grab, and have a little look around because racing expos always look so fun. So I want to have a look around and see what they've got. Everyone's currently asleep because they're not morning people, but yeah, let's go to the running expo and grab my race bib. That is crazy to say. Also, I feel like I'm gonna risk it tomorrow and not wear a running vest. I don't normally wear, I always wear a running vest. The only time I haven't worn a running vest is when I'm only running short, like 5k. So it's feeling a little risky, but the water stations are pretty consistent, so we'll think about that more. It is also 7 degrees at the moment, so I've got this nice little jumper on, a little long sleeves and some leggings because it is freezing. Oh my god, it is 7 degrees outside. It is so cold. Before I left, I made myself a little hot cross bun. Yeah, let's go and warm up this car. Ooh. I have just arrived into the city. It is still so cold. There's a cool like little box over there with like art in it. That's really cool. I've never seen that before. It's like a pop-up. I'm gonna head off to go get my race bib, so let's go. Okay guys, I have made it back. I have officially got my race number. Look at it, it is so cute. I'm so excited. So I'm 2865. That is my race number for 2025 half marathon. Let's get it. They also have safety pins, which was great because I needed some safety pins. I was gonna go get some after, but they had some, so that was amazing. Then you also got this free top. Let's have a look. You could opt in or opt out of it, but I was like, yeah, let's get it. Oh my god, look at it. It's tiny. I reckon this would be nice. I thought at least to like train in. I probably won't wear it tomorrow, but I feel like it would just be good to train in. So yeah, got a top, which is nice. And then every Saturday there's a seller maker market down in Tassie. And I was walking through it and it's a lot bigger than I thought. I haven't been to that market for years, but it's a lot bigger. I didn't even do all of it because it's so cold. I'm like, I want to get out of the cold. I ran into one of my favorite croissant stalls. It's an almond croissant. Like, you cannot tell me that it's not delicious. So I'm going to enjoy that. Not believe we have our race number. I'm so excited. This is called a flip belt and it goes around your waist. I've got an extra small, and you can fit like your phone, you can fit gels, AirPod keys, and a drink bottle here in the back. And that was my concern. I didn't want to wear the big vest. So then now I've got this little drink bottle thing that's going to slip into the back of my belt here. So I'm going to have water on me anyway, and then have my phone and my gels in there as well. And this was really cool because the drink bottle like undoes and locks. I'm very excited about this. I was gonna get an extra small, and then she's like, no, you need to try on the extra small. So I tried it on, and then yeah, that one fitted better. But yeah, I'm so excited for this. I also just got a plain black because I feel like plain black, you can't go wrong with it. It goes with everything. So what we're gonna do, there's lots of people running around the city at the moment, which you wouldn't normally see, but I guess because of the marathon tomorrow, everyone's trying to get their last couple steps in. I want to head home now. I want to chill out for the rest of the night. So let's hit the road. I have just arrived at the shopping centre. I'm going to head down there. I'm going to grab some sour worms for after the race because I love having sour worms after a long run because they're like full of sugar and everything. It's just amazing and you just feel more alive. Guys, sometimes I'm literally just terrible at filming. I literally just went into Woolies and I didn't update you guys, and I totally forgot to film something in there. But I went into Woolies because I wanted to grab some sour worms. I absolutely love these. They're so bloody good. And I was going to put some of these in my running belt, but I don't think I will do that just because they are sour and you normally need water after you had a couple. And we're trying not to drink too much water. Like, we're trying to drink water, but we're only trying to drink it at the aid stations. So I probably won't put them in my belt, but I will definitely have some maybe like before the race and after the race because I love having these after a workout, an intense workout, because like you just get some energy back and it makes you feel good, and they're a great little snack. So I got 2 packets of these. They're also on sale, which is great. So now I'm going to go quickly run off and grab some petrol. Mayo. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. We don't have anything to eat here. What are you after? What are you after? This is the free top that they give you. It's actually really nice. It's so soft and I feel like it would be really breathable as well, and it fits perfectly. The top that I got is an extra small and I feel like it looks so cute. I feel like this top would be good for like training. Let me give you a tour of what I'm wearing tomorrow. I've decided I'm going to be wearing this little tank top. I've trained in this so much, so I'll be wearing this. And then I've decided to wear black leggings because it's going to be really cold tomorrow and possibly raining, and my mum said it's probably the best idea so you don't freeze. So even though I would like to wear my cute little Lorna Jane shorts, but it's probably going to be really cold, so yeah, we're going to wear leggings to be safe. And then I'm also going to be having my number here on my chest, I reckon, which is going to look super cute. And then as you can see, I've got my little new belt on, which I'm very excited about. So in this first pocket here, I have my phone, and you can fit more in here as well, which I probably will fit my lip balm and some band-aids in here. Then if we go into here, this little pocket over here, I have one gel. This is the orange flavor. Over here in this pocket, we have another gel, and this is the lemon lime flavor gel. And then in that same pocket, we have another gel, which is apple. So these flavors were my favorite ones out of the pack so far. My favorite one is definitely lemon lime, but then the other two come in pretty close, so I'm going to take those ones. If we turn around a bit further, I also have a drink bottle, which was part of my concern if I'd be able to survive with no water. I have got this little belt with this water bottle that can fit in, which is great because vests aren't always allowed at marathons, which I didn't realize. We're going to be wearing this belt, which I'm very excited about, and it's very convenient that they have the belt at the expos, which makes sense because obviously a lot of people are looking for new gear or trying out some more stuff. They may not be happy with the stuff they've got, so it is very smart having it there. This drink bottle locks and unlocks, so you don't get all wet. You can just unlock it and boom, water, and then lock it and then no water. I have had issues with my running belt before where either there's been too much pressure and a little bit has come out of it, or I'm not even sure how I did it, but I went to take a sip and somehow the entire lid came off. I think just because when I was running it was going like this and pushing the lid off, which I didn't realize. So then when I took a sip, water went everywhere. So it is good this one can lock. Very happy with this belt, holds a lot in it. But yeah, I'm going to relax, plan my outfit. I need to plan a drop-off bag because they didn't give me, like I've noticed with a lot of people that are running marathons and stuff, they get given like a drop-off bag, but I didn't get given a drop-off bag. I need to read up how that all works. Also, my almond croissant that I had this morning was actually delicious, but I'm very happy with my running belt because it's like nice and tight. It's not too tight, but it's nice and tight. It does not feel like when I go running it's going to go anywhere, which is nice. I'm excited to try that out tomorrow with the cute drink bottle. Look how cute it is. It's like ombre purple down here and then clear. So nice. This will also be good for like my park runs. Let's chill out a little bit. I'm gonna head off and grab some petrol quickly, so then tomorrow I'm all stocked and don't have to worry about that. I've also popped on my cute little hoodie from Dua Lipa. Look how cute it is. And I've got some trackies on now. She is cold. Okay guys, it is currently 5:20 on Saturday the 5th of April, the night before our first ever half marathon. I cannot believe we are going to be running a half marathon tomorrow. Considering me and you have literally been training together for this whole half marathon journey, you have come along with me to train for it, so now that it's time, it's actually crazy. I want to show you what I'm going to be wearing tomorrow and my drop-off bag. The only thing is I don't know how the drop-off bags work because normally with videos that I've seen you get given a bag to put your stuff in to then drop off. I didn't get given a bag. I've got a drop-off bag prepared, but if they then turn me away and say you can't drop this off for some reason, I will then just go put it back in my car. I'm really hoping to park really close to the start line, so then it's only a short walk because there's like free parking, but it's basically like a kilometer or two away from the start line, and I don't want to do that before my half marathon. It's probably even like more like 5k to be honest. I'm not going to do that. The shoes I'll be wearing tomorrow are these shoes. These are my first ever running shoes. I wanted to get some shoes to inspire me to run a half marathon, and these were the shoes, and they've come so far with me. There's sand on the bottom of them. Yep, the sand. When I first got them, probably like a month when I was using it, I hated them. They rubbed my feet and they caused so many issues, but ever since I broke them in properly, been an absolute breeze. Have been so good on my feet. They just had a rough start to start off with. Knock on wood, they're perfectly fine tomorrow. No blisters. Then of course I'm going to have some of this blackcurrant electrolyte mix. I have this for every run and I love it, so I'll be doing that again. I'm going to have this as well as toast in the morning, so I'm going to have toast in the morning with strawberry jam on it and then have this toast at the time as well. Tomorrow I've got black leggings, black bra. I've got my basic grey tank top thing that I've been training in for a long time, and I love this top. It's so comfy and it just works beautifully, and I've got my number already pinned on it, which is great, so I literally just had to pop it on in the morning. I think when I was putting my information in for the half marathon. I forgot to put my name on it because so many people had their name on it and it looks so cool having your name on it, but that's okay. I'll do that next time. We have the trusty socks that I got from Melbourne that are amazing. I got like a 6-pack of them and they're amazing. I love them, so I'm gonna be wearing those. I'm gonna pop pink ribbon in my hair as well tomorrow, like a little bow. I have these black sunnies that I'll be wearing. I've been training for my half marathon in these and they are very good and reliable. I would love to get some Oakleys in the future, but at the moment we're gonna start off with the cheap glasses because they're doing just fine. I just don't look as experienced with these on, but that's okay. We'll work up to the Oakleys. Next thing is the new running belt that I actually got today, and everyone literally says in every video, do not try anything new before your half marathon, any type of run. But I'm going to be trying this new running belt. It sits beautifully. It's like so nice. It's not too tight, but it's tight, but it's like not too tight. It's like a good amount of tightness. It does not move at all, which is great. So this is how you'd wear it in this front pouch. When I showed you when I first put it on, I had my phone in here. What I'm going to actually do is I'm going to have my gels, my lip balms, my band-aids. I've got a snap-up bag to put my phone in because it's meant to be raining tomorrow and I don't want to get my phone wet. I don't know how I'm going to wear it. I will either put this at the front or this at the back, the zip area with all the gels. I don't know. I'll decide on the day. In this pocket, I'm going to have my phone and then this handy dandy drink bottle because as you guys know, I was concerned about not being able to take a drink bottle with me, so I got this little belt so I can fit the drink bottle, all my stuff and my phone in it, which is very handy. So that is everything in my running belt, and I've also got my AirPods charging at the moment because I do not want them to die on me. They will be in here as well. Now let's have a look at my bag that I'm going to drop off. Is this bag here. I've got a spare bra. This I'm going to leave in my car, but I'll roll my muscles out with this. I've got a beautiful comfy jumper. This is my Dua Lipa merch jumper. I've got deodorant. I have a ton of snacks. I got sour worms. I got the sour Skittles. And I've got these waffle things. I have snapper bags in case I need them for the snacks. I have like muscle relieving gel cream thingamabob. This is really good for sore muscles, so I'm definitely going to take that with me. Hydrolite, this is just going to help me for after the race because it's going to be an intense day, so this is going to help me. Some warm socks because my feet are probably going to be really sore and want to get out of my shoes, so I've got these. Tissues in case I need them, I don't know. We've also got a gel, another one, a pineapple one. I don't know if I'll need that, but I've just got that in case. A little microfiber towel because it is meant to be raining, so I've taken that as well. I've got track pants and a long sleeve warm top as it is meant to be raining and extremely cold. I think it's meant to be not even 7 degrees, so it's going to be chilly as. That's what I'll be taking with me. So hopefully I'll be able to drop my bag off tomorrow, but yeah, hopefully this will all go well. Is this too much stuff in my bag? I don't know. And then the shoes I will change into as well will be my Crocs because my Crocs are super comfy, but I'll probably leave these in the car just because they are big and bulky. But that is everything, guys. I have just baked a double chocolate chip cookie. It's absolutely delicious. It's the brookie recipe, and what I've been doing is making up the dough and then freezing it, so then when I feel like a cookie I can cook one. It's great. I've also makeshift my curtains because they actually don't really work. So I've used my claw clip up here to hold them together to keep it nice and dark in here because it is currently still daylight out there, but it will start to get dark. I'm gonna head to bed. This is probably the earliest I'm gonna be heading to bed that I've ever done, but I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. I'm getting up at 2 AM. I don't know if that's excessive or not, but I've given myself an hour to fluff around at home. As soon as I wake up, I'm gonna go cook food and have that. So I'm gonna have toast right bright and early in the morning. Then I've allowed myself 45 minutes to get into the city and then park as well. There's roughly an hour till I actually start racing because I said you have to be there by 5 o'clock to get ready to start racing. I'm actually surprisingly not as nervous as I thought I would be. I'm just really excited. I'm just treating it as a run, and I don't have high expectations. I'm just going with the flow. I just want to make it and do it. This is our first ever half marathon, so I don't want to put too much stress on myself and be like, oh, by this time be keep up to this pace. Like, I don't care about that at the moment. I'm just wanting to make it. I'm excited. I cannot wait to finish the race and go to sleep again. See, look how dark it is, and then you can see the daylight. Also, I'm going to be wearing this jumper tomorrow as well because I've never worn it before because I think you have to chuck these out. I don't think you get to keep these, so I'm wearing one that I don't mind getting rid of. I will see you bright and early in the morning.